Hello viewers, today I am going to fix the issue in this Philips wireless Bluetooth speaker. Model is BT64. Let me show you the demo. First, what is the problem? I'm turning on the speaker here. Now connecting to the mobile. Speaker is connected to the mobile. Now playing the song. So I hope you have listened the crackling sound in the speaker. So I am going to fix this issue in the speaker. Turning off the speaker. Let me tear this down. I have removed the mesh here. Now there are 6 screws. I am going to remove that. The problem is, I am showing now, the reason behind the crackling sound is, you can see here the reason behind the crackling sound. You can see the ring of the speaker is broken completely. There is a crack here. I'm showing here. You can see it is broken. The air is leaking from this point. So we need to replace this speaker foam, and this is the replacement foam. This is the 40 mm size and the speaker is also 40 mm. Let me remove the speaker and replace the foam. Now I have removed the screws. It will come from back side. Before tearing this down, I have to take off this paste here, like this. You can see. Alright, now by pulling like this it will come out. Alright, to remove the speaker here, just we have to pull this because it is holding physically. This back side will hold the speaker like this. So there is slightly pasted over there. By pulling this speaker it will come out. There is no screws. That's it. Now we have to desolder these 2 wires to replace the foam ring. You have to connect the wires back here. So notice the color. Plain white is minus and the pink white is positive. So keeping that in mind, keeping the speaker aside, you can see now it is broken here. You can see clearly now. Now it's time to remove this old ring. Now applying bit of heat over here by using hair dryer or any heat blower to remove the speaker foam. You can see here, because of the heat it is coming automatically here. Now by just slightly pulling it out, it will come. You can see it has come out. Now let me clean this little bit extra and come back to replace the ring. Alright, I have cleaned this. The old speaker foam is removed. Now I am going to put this new foam. Just checking, showing you the size which fits perfectly here. You can see it is sitting in the gap. Now we have to apply synthetic rubber glue here. Let me apply that. Alright. Now at the outer part. Alright, glue is applied. Let me take off the excess glue little bit like this by. Alright, it's time to keep the foam here exactly in this point. Slightly put pressure here, press like this so that it will hold strongly to the metal part, and you can press here as well like this. It will take some time to dry, so wait for 2-3 minutes, then you can press, it will hold here. Let me do that and come back. Alright, I have pasted the foam ring here. It has been dried now. Let me fix the speaker. Before that, let me do the soldering. As I said earlier, this pink with white is positive. I am going to solder there itself. Alright, speaker is soldered back. Now I am not going to paste. I am just going to keep like this because this body will hold this through this sponge. Let me directly assemble the speaker. That's it. Putting back the cover. Right, time to put the screws. Done. Now it's time to check the speaker. Turning on the speaker here. Now connected to the speaker, playing the song. You can see there is no distortion.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Alright, there is no distortion in the speaker. Let me put this grill back. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And kindly please subscribe to AudioViz 360 as it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.